Here we are again, 89 Toyota pickup truck. My daughter riding her rollerblades. Again. Got the welder out here this time because we are about to do some upper bag mounts. These bag mounts come, most all of the kits, they come with enough on there to go, actually come like that. This is flat, and then you've got two pieces where it's just one solid square at the end. I'm cutting these, and then I cut these just enough to be able to bend them to where I want them, because these are your gussets. I cut them at an angle like this. See, if you put this right there, oops, wrong way. Put this right there, then it makes it a square. So what I do is I cut them at an angle away from the straight line to allow for that, because what that does is it comes out a little farther and makes it look like a spaceship. No, it's if you cut it square, it'll go flat, level, up and down. You cut it like this and it can angle it up a little bit. See? And the higher you angle it, the better it fits with the lower control arm. I'll show you. Alright. See, if I was to cut it straight, it would stick out like this. With it angled, I can angle it up like this so that it's at an angle up. When I bring this lower control arm up with my foot, it goes up at an angle as well. See? And then everything lines up for the bag to squish down evenly. So now I got to make a few more adjustments. I may end up cutting this a little bit more. I'm not sure. I'd like it to be able to be set up so I can put a 6-inch bag in there if needed. And so this is set up for a 5-inch bag. And I'm just going to make some more measurements and get this tacked up in there. Alright, I've been busy. It's actually starting to freaking sprinkle just a hair. It's going to freaking slow me down. Alright, so I've got this plate right here. Yeah, it's not pretty, but it's welded in. I like doing this little lip right here because it keeps the bag above that bolt so that it doesn't rub on it. And then I make this plate right here to lay right here on top. And then I'll weld it in right here, and I'll weld it in there. That way it makes that just a little bit more of a flush mount. And then I'll end up rounding these edges off right here and just making it look a little prettier than the way it is. Alright, so I did what I said. Got it welded on. Let me show you my welds. There we go. I had to get some of that slag off the top right there. I've got that on there. See how it fits nice and neat? And then it's got that little lip at the front right there. That goes over the bolt. That way the bag doesn't rub on the bolt when it gets dropped down to the ground. Got that piece cut out. It's still kind of misting out here, so I'm just going to keep freaking working. I got to get this done. Alright, there we go. And that goes up to there. If you want to finish it off and put some on the side, you can. I don't believe it's necessary, but if you want to make it look even prettier and better than what it does like this, then you can do that. No, I didn't weld it on the outside, but it's got plenty of weld on the inside, so it's not going to go anywhere. It just looks like it's unfinished right there. See? Ooh. But anyway, I'm not worried about that. It will hold. All I gotta do is drill a hole here wherever my bag ends up. So now the process of putting this upper bag mount on, I do eventually need to get that done, but I'm trying to get it bagged this weekend. I can come and fuss with some of the details later, but for now I need to get this bagged back on the ground. That way when I leave, management doesn't have a problem with it sitting up in the air like this. So I will get it back on the ground as soon as I can. I go ahead and get this one mopped up and get it slightly measured and then trimmed because of that piece right there. It needs to be trimmed down a little bit. Same thing with this side, just a hair. I'm gonna get that trimmed and then angled just right, get it tacked in, and start welding all that in. Well, this freaking mist is still coming down. It starts getting a little dangerous to weld when everything starts getting wet. So I kind of tucked everything underneath here. Yes, I do have a bag mount on there. Waiting for that to cool down, and then I got to clean it up a little bit because of all the slag. But everything else is underneath there. This side still needs the bag mount. It's already cut down. I had to cut it way down. So I almost got it all welded in. It's freaking 2:30, 3:30, 4:30. I got 2.5 hours. If this shit don't let up, I'm screwed. But I'm like super hungry right now. I really need to get something to eat. She's hungry. I'm sure you are, huh? Okay. Ooh, sorry. Mwah. We got the welder over here underneath the porch. See, underneath the awning. So, yeah, we'll figure this out. I'm gonna get something to eat real quick. Well, here I sit, brokenhearted, because the rain. Well, it's mist. It's not even rain. It's not even worth talking about. It just keeps falling. I don't feel like getting electrocuted. So here I am just sitting in my living room. It's Kathleen. She's looking at her phone, looking at the TV. And I've been waiting for it. I haven't even put everything away. I mean, everything's still out here on the cart. See, the welding cart's set up. Toolbox is still under the truck. That one upper bag mount is welded in, but can't do nothing because of this wet ground. I don't want to be sitting in a wet ground. And I don't have a pop-up canopy anymore. It got smashed at Sparks in the Ozarks. So for right now, no video tonight. It's Thursday. No, Friday. Thursday? Friday. I don't even know what day it is. It's Friday. Anyway, Friday, I've got tomorrow as well, but it's supposed to rain tomorrow. I don't know if it's going to rain all day. If it doesn't rain all day, I'm going to drag all this stuff back out and see if I can get some more done. So we'll see. Hopefully, the next one will be me working on it again. We got to finish up this video today. So it's still raining. And remember I said at Sparks, our canopy broke because it flooded and it just completely just smashed it. So, but that canopy, we were careful with it, and it lasted, what, probably 8 years or more. I think I had that canopy for longer than that. So now we're here at Walmart. Time to get another canopy. I think these ones are 44 bucks. They're 10 by 10, which is enough. That's all I really need. But I think this time I'm going to get, there's tarps that you can get for the sides of them so that it covers one side down. I might get 1 or 2 of those. I think they're only like 10 bucks each for those. So we're going to get us a canopy today, and then that way we don't have to worry about light rain. Light rain will still be able to work on the truck and be able to get stuff done because, yeah, this is making me sick that I wasn't able to finish the suspension. I go to work tomorrow, and it's kind of pissing me off. So we're going to finish up the video right here. Please like, subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what you're going through. You can do something to your truck. You really can. You just got to get out there and do it, right? We just got to get it done. We will talk to you guys in the next video. Go get you a canopy. Work on your shit.